challenges you every day with debilitating frequency. Comes again and again and again. It's like a good old visitor that by now you know very well. Sadhguru gives us a wonderful example. He says, when you feel that, all your money's gone and your life is at an end and your lover left you and everything and the boss is nasty and nobody understands you and everyone is against you and life is just terrible. What does he say? Close your nose and stop breathing for a few minutes. Very soon your body will say, to hell with that, I want to live. I'm living is enough. Just to breathe and alive is enough. Being alive is why you are breathing, why you have a body. This instrument that is serving you, that takes you everywhere. The feeling comes and goes, but you stay here. You are enough. Your breathing is enough because it gives you life. Celebrate today that you are well, that you are healthy, that you can do things, even if you don't know how. The how is not your business. It's going to get done. So relax and trust yourself. There's no time in your life for debilitating frequencies of I'm not good enough, because after this that it's a lie. Your own life is proof of it. Reassure yourself often, appreciate yourself often, and when it gets too much, just check. Your body wants to breathe, it wants to be alive. Such is life. Enjoy your day. See you soon.